Gradelink is awesome. It is a super easy website to use. Parents love it. They are loving the new app that parents can use to check student grades.
As a parent, it also allows me to see my child's grades, communicate with the teachers.
If you have a student that had disciplinary actions and you put that into your log, into their account, the parents are not automatically notified of that.
Everything was just one click away.
Using the teacher pages there, I was able to upload any PowerPoints that I had for the day.
Daily homework assignments, reminders of upcoming events.
I also love that it connects to Google Classroom.
I love all of the different options for running reports.
I love the communication between report cards, letting the parents know about the children's discipline, giving them accurate record on day-to-day progress of the children.
Learning how to document parent contacts or look up student information was so easy.
And with Gradelink, it's nice that it's all right there for us, ready to go. I can also access all the other classes, so that way, as a student council moderator, I can contact any one of my student council members.
The biggest thing I use it for is attendance, which is super easy.
It's very easy and helpful in grading process.
Gradelink takes the grades that I put in as a teacher and puts them into percentages, which we grade on percentages, so that's really important.
Students are able to receive their own login information and keep track of their own grades themselves, so to give them some type of accountability, which is very important.
When they say, "What's my grade?" I say, "Look it up."
Plus, if parents have questions or they want to see how things are doing, they have access right away too.
One of the features that I like most is the communication system.
It has the email feature so that you can very easily communicate with a couple of parents, a whole group of parents.
Kind of is a one-stop shopping source.
I love Gradelink and hope others will find that Gradelink is an extremely useful application.